Good morning and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. We're looking at my 96 Vectra Grand Tour motorhome. It's got a 454 motor on a workhorse chassis. It's got lots of basement storage. It's called a 454 7.4 liter Vortec 290 horsepower. It has lots of garage storage, a basement air, furnace, propane. It has a 7 kW generator, ladder rack to get on the roof, class 4 hitch, nice mud flaps. It only has 26,000 miles. It has awnings on the windows, as you can see. Take you inside, tell you a few things about it. I winterized it yesterday. Everything works. Furnace, water heater. It's got propane. Here's the kitchen. It's got all the original owner's manuals. Fridge works, stove works. Has a convection microwave. Whole house exhaust fan. Rear heater. Nice big closet. Storage under the bed. Drawers and doors everywhere. It's got privacy blinds. Show you the bathroom here. It's got a backup camera, or you can monitor your towed vehicle with the camera. Nice big bathroom, foot flush toilet. When this RV was new, it cost $103,000. That's what it listed for. You got a sleeper sofa there. You've got a recliner there, recliner there, recliner there. A lot of nice features. Be sure to look at the window sticker. Suggested retail was $103,000. It's a 1996 Vectra 34WQ. It does have a driver's door. See if I can get you the mileage there. 26,060 miles. There you go. It has a 10-disc CD changer. It has a CB, weather radio, electric heated mirrors, and that pretty well sums it up. It's got a nice little table here. See if I can get the table out for you. No, because the seat's in the way. Well, anyhow, that's a table to play cards at. Have a good one. Thanks for looking.